Shoo. Anywho, we're going on a fun adventure learning all about airplanes. Get ready for takeoff and let's explore the exciting world of airplanes. From small propeller planes to huge jumbo jets, there are so many different kinds. We have passenger planes, cargo planes, and even military aircraft. Biplanes! It's an airplane with 2 wings. They were very popular in the early days of aviation. And they still look pretty cool. Control panel! It's where the pilot sits and controls the plane. Inside the cockpit, there are many buttons, switches, and dials that help the pilot fly the aircraft safely. Delta wing! This type of wing is triangular in shape and is commonly found on military jets. Delta wings provide extra stability and speed, making these planes great for flying at high altitudes. Engine! It's the part of the plane that makes it go. There are different kinds of engines, like propellers, jet engines. Each one is good for different things. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned lots of things about aviation science. Ciao!